I made Diwali diyas using this cupcake pan and mixed mold non-toxic ceramic resin. I followed the instruction on the package. I had never used resin before because there were always so many steps to use resin. I got lazy. But when I saw this package, it said it would take 60 minutes to set and is non-toxic. Similar to how I used cement casting before, and I knew I had to try it to make diyas in bulk. And quickly mixed it and it looked like a cake batter and started to pour it into the mold. Tap the mold to remove any air bubbles. Once the ceramic resin dried, the satisfaction of removing these diyas from the mold is amazing. I also tried using cement with this mold and it worked. I painted these with yellow acrylic paint and added my style of high and low mandala dot design and created some spoon petals to these diyas. I added some rangoli powder and used the LED lights to light the diya. Here is the final reveal. Comment and let me know how you liked it.